He says whenever Huzur mentions the name of Maulana Muhammad Ali, Huzur always prays for him as Raziallahu Anhu, whereas we know that he detached himself with Khilafat. How can you say Raziallahu Anhu for such a person?
Because as long as Muslim of Islam lived, Maulana Muhammad Ali Sahib was his companion. And Hazrat Muslim of Islam also said this about him in a kashf, that आए हमारे पास बैठ जाएं, आप भी कभी हमारे साथ हुआ करते थे. So this indicates that Hazrat Maulana Muhammad Ali Sahib should be called Raziallahu Anhu. When Maulana Muhammad Ali Sahib suffered from actually from Taun, all doctors, even Hazrat Khalifatul Masih Radhiyallahu Anhu, etc., they said this is his last moment. So he prayed to Hazrat Masih Maud, begged him to come to meet him. Now, this is the bravery of Hazrat Masih Maud. He never hesitated. He immediately reached him. He was not afraid of getting down himself and put his hand on his forehead and said, "Where is the temperature? There is no temperature." So everybody was surprised. Hazrat Maulana Muhammad Ali Sahib, Radhiyallahu Anhu, he stood up and said, "I'm all right." There was no sign of down whatsoever. So because he was a companion, so I always called Radhiyallahu Anhu.